Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to make dal tadka. Firstly, start by rinsing your red lentils thoroughly in cold water until it runs clear and drain well. Add the lentils to a deep saucepan or pot along with the required amount of water. Keep the lid slightly ajar to prevent the dal from boiling over. Now when the dal begins to boil, you may notice foam forming on the surface. Skim it off if you like, and once cooked and tender, you can mash the lentils slightly with a spoon or blend them briefly for a smoother texture. Cooking them low and slow will naturally make them creamy. Now, the tadka, also known as the bagar or chunk, is what transforms plain lentils into delicious dal. It's made by frying aromatics and spices in oil or ghee until fragrant. In a separate pan, heat a few tablespoons of oil or ghee over the medium heat. Now toss in cumin seeds and let them sizzle, then add chopped onions and cook until golden brown. Stir in tomatoes and followed by spices like turmeric, chili powder, cumin, and coriander. Cook until everything blends into a rich aromatic mixture. Now pour the cooked lentils into the pan with your tadka. Then simmer gently until it reaches your desired thickness. Remember, dal thicknesses as it cools, and top with fresh cilantro or squeeze of lemon juice or even drizzle of ghee for extra richness. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.